Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to hand crochet with thin yarn. First, gather your materials. You'll need a very fine yarn, like a lace or fingering weight, which is perfect for creating delicate items. Next, select a small crochet hook, typically between 2.0 millimeters and 3.5 millimeters. This ensures your stitches are tight and even. We'll start by forming a basic slip knot and then move on to the foundational chain stitch, setting the stage for your beautiful project. Now that you have your foundation, let's master some essential stitches. The single crochet stitch is excellent for producing a dense, firm fabric, ideal for items needing structure. For a more open and flowing design, the double crochet stitch is your go-to. Remember, maintaining consistent tension is crucial when working with thin yarn. This practice ensures each stitch is uniform, resulting in a professional and polished final piece. Working with thin yarn can present unique challenges, but with a few tips, you'll succeed. Good lighting is your best friend. It helps you clearly see those tiny stitches and prevents eye strain. Don't forget to take frequent breaks to rest your hands and maintain your concentration. Regularly counting your stitches is also vital, especially with intricate patterns, to ensure your project remains accurate and beautifully shaped. With your new skills, the possibilities for thin yarn projects are endless. Consider crafting elegant lace edgings for garments, intricate doilies, or even a wonderfully lightweight scarf. Once your project is complete, blocking is a crucial step. This process shapes your work and sets the stitches, giving it a refined look. Finally, carefully weave in all loose ends to achieve a truly professional and polished finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.